Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my stopwatch using Arduino and LCD display. So here are three buttons: start, stop and restart. If you click start, stopwatch starts counting, and if you click stop, it stops counting. Logic. So now if you click restart, all hours, minutes and seconds go to 0. You can add lap to this with just simple code to the program. And so let me try it again. Now it's counting, and let's stop it. And let's restart. So now I'm going to show you my program. Quickly go through my program. Here is my simple LCD stopwatch program, and this is including library and setting the hours and setting the pins. So this is the defining everything. And here we have analog right. This is the setup. So we tell the brightness right here, and we are defining the pins right here. Brightness, this is running all the time, so the brightness is always the same. So here is where you need to change the brightness of the letters, and you can change to like 70 or 50 and it will still be clear to see. And here is my void loop. I have here so it projects watch, but it's not counting yet on LCD. And here is waiting for me to start the button. Right here is my subprograms. I have subprogram stopwatch, that is start, and here is stopwatch stop, that is subprogram for stop, and that is stopwatch reset, that is subprogram for reset. And if this button is clicked, then it goes to LCD stopwatch, that it's start, and here's projecting writing down on the LCD the hour, the clock, and here is simple program to count up milliseconds. So it will go to 1000 milliseconds, and then it will go to 1 second. And here we have, if milliseconds are 900, then LCD clear, and then writes down seconds plus 1, and milliseconds is 0, sets to 0. Here is same but with the seconds, and here is with the minutes. So the hours go up and the minutes go to 0. Here we just print a stopwatch down below our stopwatch. Here is reading the pin, and it's checking if stop is clicked, or else it goes back up to here and do the same thing, and it's going on until I click this button stop. And if I click the button stop, it goes to the sub program stopwatch stop, and it writes down all the times, but there is no counting up milliseconds. So Arduino is just sending hours, minutes and seconds printing on the LCD, but there is no changing of these numbers. Here is reading again. If the start is again pressed, then it goes back to sub program for stopwatch, and here is checking for the reset if the reset is clicked. If reset is not clicked, then it goes back to stop and it's doing this all the time. And if I click reset button, it goes right here in the stopwatch reset. And what it does, it clears the LCD and then sets the cursor to second line, and it writes down stopwatch. So, and then it sets the hours, minutes, and seconds to 0, and then it returns back to here, and it's again stopped, and it's checking if the start button will start the program again.
So this was my project, my stopwatch project, and if you liked it, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more projects, and the schematics and code will be down below in the link. The link will be to the Arduino project hub. So I will finish this episode right here. Take care guys, and I will see you in another video.